Imagine waking up every day and knowing you can control your life and make your dreams come true effortlessly. What if the key to success was as simple as changing the way you think? Today, we will share a powerful secret that can help you do that. 1. Understanding the law of assumption. The law of assumption is a simple idea that says we shape our reality with our assumptions. In other words, what you believe and assume to be true will eventually happen in your life. Imagine having the power to change your life just by changing your thoughts and beliefs. Sounds interesting? Let's explore this together. This idea comes from Neville Goddard, a well-known teacher in the field of metaphysics, the study of reality and existence. He taught that our inner world, our thoughts, feelings, and assumptions, directly affects our outer world. This means that by assuming the feeling of our wishes already being fulfilled, we can make our dreams come true. The law of assumption says that whatever you consistently believe will happen in your life. It's not just about wishing or saying positive things. It's about truly believing and feeling that your desire is already real. Imagine a student who believes they are excellent at math. They start seeing better grades and finding math problems easier because their confidence and belief make them approach the subject positively and proactively. Why is this important? Because it can be used for anything. Better relationships, career, health, or money. By understanding this law, you get the best tool to create the life you want. 2. How the law of assumption works. Clearly decide what you truly want. Whether it's a better job, a loving relationship, good health, or more money, make your goal specific. Write it down and visualize it in detail. Imagine that your wish has already come true. Close your eyes and picture your life with your wish fulfilled. Feel the joy, respect, and satisfaction as if it's happening now. Use all your senses to make this feeling strong and real. For example, a job seeker imagines getting their dream job every morning. They picture themselves in the office, meeting colleagues, and feeling proud. This belief makes them network more and apply confidently, and they eventually get the job. Carry this feeling with you in your daily life. Make choices and take actions as if your wish is already real. This creates a strong belief in your mind. Even if doubts come, gently return to your desired state. This practice will help your mind believe and make your wish a reality. This process is simple and anyone can do it. 3. Benefits of the law of assumption. What if mastering the law of assumption could change your life for the better? We'll explore how using this law can help you unlock your true potential and achieve your dreams. A person wanting to improve their health starts believing they are already fit and healthy. This mindset leads them to make healthier food choices and exercise regularly, resulting in actual improvements in their health. One of the biggest benefits of the law of assumption is personal empowerment. By using this law, you understand that you can actively shape your life. This new way of thinking lets you take control of your future. Imagine waking up every day knowing your thoughts and beliefs can create the life you want. This feeling of control is very motivating and can lead to great personal growth. 4. Common misconceptions. Some think that using the law of assumption means ignoring current reality. Actually, it means accepting where you are now, but focusing on your desired outcome. It helps you stay positive and take constructive actions. Some think using the law of assumption means ignoring reality, like a runner ignoring their current fitness level. Instead, it means accepting where they are now, but believing in what they can achieve in the future, which motivates them to train consistently and improve. The law of assumption doesn't work overnight. Results depend on how strong and consistent your belief is, along with the actions you take. Be patient and persistent. Change takes time. This law isn't just for big goals. It works for small changes too. Whether it's a minor improvement or a major life change, the principles are the same. Practice regularly to achieve a range of goals. 5. Conclusion. Imagine being able to shape your future with your thoughts and beliefs. Try this. Every morning, spend a few minutes imagining your goals as if they are already achieved. Feel the joy and gratitude. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. The magic happens when you start doing it.